The article suggests AI might be making us think and write more alike, and the comment section proves that convergence is already happening. One user argued, "This is not subtle," citing a team leader whose thoughts are entirely LLM generated. This mirrors the fear that corporate uptake often means executives are becoming the perfect, agreeable yes men to the machine. Another user added that this infiltration has been happening for decades, making the AI just the latest unseen entity. The core tension, as one commenter observed, is the loss of genuine human experience when communication is filtered through a machine. Yet, a counter view suggests the real work lies in documenting the skills needed to wield the technology effectively. So, the conversation is between the machine's homogenizing influence and the human struggle to maintain a unique voice.